Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we will dive into a fascinating concept in statistics which is kurtosis. Whether you are into data science or just curious about statistics, this lesson will help you visualize and understand this key measure. And if you want more resources, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel, Post Network Academy Facebook page, LinkedIn page. So kurtosis is a statistical measure that describes the shape of a frequency distribution, particularly its tailedness. It indicates how peaked or flat the curve is compared to a normal distribution. I will discuss normal distribution in the future. This is a probability distribution. Now, there are basically three types of kurtosis to understand. So, the first one is leptokurtic. The distribution has a higher peak and fatter tails than a normal curve. So you can say that a distribution with a sharp peak and fat tails. These distributions are highly concentrated around the mean but also have outliers. I will discuss also outliers in future videos. Now the second one, mesokurtic. The blue curves appear on the graph. This is what a normal distribution looks like. It has moderate peaks and tails. And the black curve appears on the graph, that is a platykurtic, flatter distribution with thinner tails compared to the normal curve. These represent data sets that are spread out more evenly. So all three curves have the same mean, dispersion and skewness, but they differ in their kurtosis, which represent the shape and tailedness of the distribution. So now I hope you have now a clear picture of kurtosis and its importance. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to Post Network Academy and hit the notification bell for more data science and AI content. Keep learning. I will see you in the next video.